I make a DIY of a space cowgirl outfit and watch my full YouTube video to see how to make it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alessia. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. So it's October, my favorite time of year where the leaves start falling down, scary movies, and Halloween. I'm obsessed with Halloween, and every year I love to make my costumes and have something original. And last year I happened to do a space cowgirl and it was a hit. A lot of people loved it, and I figured why the hell not make a YouTube video, a DIY of how to make a space cowgirl costume. Most of the pieces I got were from Shein, and I'll link everything down below along with all the extra material and pieces I needed to get in order to make this costume. Let's get started. So you're gonna need a hot glue gun, and you're also going to need this sparkly material. Okay, so you're probably seeing from the picture a nice diamond belt. So I got it on Shein. It's just a bedazzled belt, which I will link down below. It's perfect. It has crystals everywhere, and it was just perfect for the look. I did have to create more holes because when I cinched it to the waist, it had to go tighter, so I kind of just popped in another hole. Okay, then I got this crystal bra off Shein as well. It's like a chain bra, and you can't really wear it with nothing underneath. So I had put a simple black bikini bottom, which I will show you soon. And it comes with an adjustable kind of hook. Because it's a chain bra, it kind of gives you the ability to hook it on either tighter or looser as you wish. So it hooks here as well. I went to the Halloween store and I got a bunch of accessories that I would be able to bedazzle. I thought about doing it myself, but then I was like, maybe it'll be easier if I just bedazzle like the cufflings and the neck brace. So this is the black neck brace that I had worn with it. I thought about putting crystals on it, but then I found it to be too much. This is what kind of gives it like that cowgirl vibe. And then I got the black cufflings, and what I did was I took crystals and I separated them each individually. So let me show you how. You just take a simple pair of cufflings from Amazon or the Halloween store, and then you add all these crystals. And I know it looks like it takes so long, but it actually is quite quick, and I'll show you why. Okay, so this roll of crystals you see here is what I use to add to the cufflinks. So I got this at the dollar store, but you can get it on Amazon, and you can decide the measurement you want. I didn't want it to dangle way too much, but I still wanted to give it the effect. And this actually comes as a full pack that's closed. So what I did is I took the scissors and I kind of just like cut in between each strand so that it dangled. Then I did it for each, as you can see. And then what I did is I glue gunned it from the tip, and I did it longer and then cut it at the bottom. You can do different lengths for each one. I kind of kept it straight because I thought it looked better. But the first one, when you place it, you never place it like straight. You kind of bend it so that the first one's kind of solid and then the glue won't remove. Then you know you always need a cowboy hat, and what I did to make it kind of blend in with the whole entire costume is I took diamonds and I kind of just put crystals all around the hat. Once again, if you want to get fun with it and you want it to be more like out there and and put crystals all around the hat, you can do that as well. I just thought it was a bit much with the entire costume. Like there was a lot of crystals going around between the cufflinks, the belt, the bra, so I kind of kept it more minimalist, but you can definitely do at the top of the hat, on the side, the full hat, as you wish. I used a hot glue gun to glue it all around. Some of it's falling off because this is from last year, but yeah. Okay, chaps are so expensive these days. Like if you want to go and buy chaps, they're like $120, and they don't give exactly the look you want. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and make my own chaps. And the fear I had in that was finding like the perfect underwear to go underneath, because I didn't want it to be too cheeky. So I found on Shein these like black, I guess you could say short boxer underwears, but they kind of gave more the look of like cowgirl with the chaps added to it. Okay, and then lastly, making my chaps. So originally I had made my chaps from leather pants that I got at Shein, but unfortunately I can't find them right now, and I still want to show you how to make them. So what I'm gonna go do is take an old pair of leather pants, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut them and show you how I make them. You can go ahead and make these chaps yourself, and for a fraction of the price. Like I think these leather pants were under $20. So yeah, you can make like real chaps that you have for next year, because there's so many costumes you can do with chaps. So I do have pictures and videos of how I wore them last year with the other chaps, which I think just worked a little bit better. So I'll be sure to link them down below so you can purchase those ones and do it with those. But as long as you get the idea of how to cut them, you can do it with the Shein ones. Or if you have a pair of leather pants at your house and you just want to use those that are maybe old, you can also go ahead and do that. Okay, so I started cutting the chaps, and just so you know, wherever the crotch is, you have to cut right before then, and make sure not to cut in between both pants, like both legs, because that's where the seam is, and you don't want it to, you don't want to cut through it, because then it's going to be one big hole. So now I'm going to basically cut all here until it gets to about here. And then I'll make sure to leave room on the outside, and then cut all around. And cut all of inside of here. Here's how it looks off. So we got the hat, we have the neck brace, we have the bra with the bikini under. This is the leather chaps with the underwear, belt, and cuffs. Guys, is this not the cutest costume? Like, what? It's like so hard to show the entire costume with my stand, because my stand doesn't go higher, but this is it. Also, these boots are from Amazon, and I just wanted to show you them inside the boot and outside the boot. I preferably would wear it outside the boot because I think it's a bit much, but the silver matches, so you can do it how you want. I'll link these Amazon boots down below. So this is how it goes. I want to say a thank you so much to everyone who got to the end of this video. You are a real one, and I am so excited to see you guys make your own DIY Space Girl costume. So be sure to tag me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow down below. Happy Halloween. Yeehaw!